Konnichiwa. Hello. Maganda hapon. Jambo. Mwadela wa mana bababa. It's Masunga John here this evening. And as I told you from the beginning, I love Pinoy food. I love Filipino food. You know what I'm going to make today? I'm going to make ginatang kamoteng kahoy. You know what is that? I guess you're wondering what is ginatang kamoteng kahoy. It's cassava with coconut. Wow, it must be yummy. All right, so let me show you the ingredients. Here are the ingredients: coconut milk, sugar, brown sugar, salt, and some water. Okay, some water. So now we are going to start cooking. The first thing is to add. First of all, I have peeled the cassava and cut. It's already peeled and cut. Now I'm going to add coconut. Alright, add the coconut and then on the fire. Then I'm going to add the sugar, brown sugar. Add the brown sugar, and after that I will add the salt. Okay, and after that I'm going to add a little water. And then the last thing, mix it a little. I'll mix it a little just for the sugar and the salt to go down a bit. Then I'm going to cover it. Okay, then I'll boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. So let's wait, let it boil for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. Let's wait. Now the kamoteng kahoy is almost done. So let's open it and okay. Wow, it looks awesome. Okay, now because it's ready. Okay, now I'm gonna switch off the fire and test. Okay, let me take one. Wow, the soup. Wow, okay. It's time to test the kamoteng kahoy. Okay. Man. The mixture of the coconut, sugar, brown sugar, the salt, and a little water in it makes it perfect. When you have time, please make ginatang kamoteng kahoy, which means cassava with coconut. It's Filipino food, and again, I love it. I really love it. As usual, I love Pinoy food. So this is how it looks. It looks perfect. Really, really good. So please, after watching this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's Masunga John. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Goodbye. Kwaheri. Paalam. Johnny!